Hey guys, it's me again, back here with another amazing video. Yes, I got burnt on my thumb and it hurts, but that's always nice. But anyways, today I'll be showing you how to make foam slime like this. So yeah, let's get started. You need a bowl or something to mix it in. Then you're either going to get clear glue or you're going to get some normal glue. Not normal glue, what the heck? You're gonna get clear glue or you're gonna get some sparkling glue. Like so. Ignore the horrible noise it makes. Okay, so you're going to pour your glue in there. Then you're going to get microscopic beads. It's just these little foam beads that you can get out of like a pillow or a beanie bag chair, or you can get them online or whatever. And you're going to go ahead and pour that in there. You're going to get something to mix with. Just going to mix it into your glue. Now the reason why we're adding it into the glue and not the slime is because when you add it into the glue, it makes it stick, like makes the beads stay in better. So you put as many beads as you want to. So I'll get back to you when I'm done with that. Not really back to you, but you know, I'll let you know. So I do not edit my videos, so. So anyways, once you have it all mixed up and good like that, this is optional. I'm only doing it because I like it. Gives it a little bit different of a texture, but it's optional. Sorry guys, someone was calling me. It's optional to add this. Now you're gonna get some cloud slime. And you're just gonna add a little bit in there, like that much. And then you're just gonna mix that on up. You're only using it for the instant snow, so you can either add a cloud slime if you don't have any instant snow, which is what I'm doing. But if you do have instant snow, then you don't need to add a cloud slime, you just add the snow. But anyways. So after that, you're gonna activate it with half a teaspoon of borax and some hot water. So it's probably going to be easier to mix with your hands. This will take a little bit more because it's more beads, less glue. It'll take a little extra. Okay, so now you're gonna knead it really well. I'm here with my friend today.
Hello.
So you're gonna, oh, I got it on my burn, that kind of hurts. Okay. So you're gonna get as much in there as possible, as much of the glue and bead mixture. Oh, all these people gotta call me while I'm recording, man.
I'm sure we didn't have.
Her called first, and then that was a scam, likely. So I'm gonna need this a bit. You could fast forward, but I'll let you know. It does take a lot of kneading, so don't lose your patience and add more activator. Okay, so now once you add this, it's going to be very stiff, like this. So then you're going to add in some white glue. About that much, enough to make it a little sticky. Well, more sticky than it is right now. So you're just going to mix the white glue in, squeeze it, stretch it, mix it, you know, knead it in. So, fast forward this too, but I'll let you know when it's kneaded in. Here's the foam soap. Then you're going to get some foam soap and add that in. Oh my Lord. So you need to stretch it a lot so the beads can stretch out, like stretch like this a lot, which will make it a lot more stretchy at a time. Stretch it out. And you can tell this is getting more loose and loose as you stretch it. It's getting more stretchier, more loose. So you're just going to keep stretching it like I told you to. Stretch it like this. And then you're going to add a little bit more white glue. So as soon as you need the white glue in, you're going to keep stretching it how I told you to, as if you were making a bubble. And then you're done. Beads are not falling out. I just have them on my hand from when I picked it up. Very crunchy. Very stretchy. And so on. So give this video a like up and subscribe to thumbs up, not a like up, and subscribe to the slime back. Bye.